Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 22nd of August 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, the signing of long-term energy sales contracts in Peru is going through a time of consolidation. Driven by the volatility of the spot market and the need to certify green consumption, more and more private actors, especially mining companies and the agro-industry, are betting on this model. However, the growth of these agreements faces challenges such as the lack of electricity infrastructure and regulatory clarity. 8 years ago, you saw prices of $25 per megawatt hour, but recently contracts were signed at $65 or $70. Today, the average is around $45 per megawatt hour. With electricity prices rising at more than twice the rate of inflation, the U.S. president has lashed out at renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power by blaming them for the skyrocketing energy costs. But experienced energy analysts, such as IntelStor's Philip Totaro, say renewable energy sources have little to do with recent price hikes. Those price increases are based on increasing demand, as well as aging infrastructure and increasingly extreme weather events such as wildfires. Thermal and renewable energy generating facilities in the PJM Interconnection have surplus interconnection capacity that could support about 153 gigawatts of solar, wind, and storage. The analysis comes as PJM has been warning it may lack sufficient power supplies to meet growing electric demand, mainly driven by data center development. The underused points of interconnection at the thermal plants could support about 74 gigawatts of solar and 5 gigawatts of wind by 2030. India added 1.6 gigawatts of wind energy capacity in the second quarter of 2025. That is a 113% year-over-year increase from the same quarter in 2024. Capacity additions fell 13% quarter-over-quarter. Installations declined due to delays in grid connectivity, limited availability of transmission infrastructure, land acquisition challenges, and right-of-way issues. Chile's Economic Development Agency said on Tuesday that 10 companies from 7 countries have expressed interest in manufacturing wind power systems and components in the country. This is part of efforts to strengthen the clean energy supply chain in the country. Most proposals focused on onshore wind systems, including the manufacture of steel and hybrid towers, as well as sustainable materials. Potential investment sites have estimated project costs ranging between $10 million and $17 million, depending on production capacity and whether they are greenfield or brownfield. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.